welcome back to my channel. Graduation season has officially begun, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make graduation-inspired decorative cookies. The best part about graduation cookies is that you can have a lot of fun decorating them and making them customizable for your graduate, and that's what you'll be seeing in this video. My sister's graduating college this year, so I'm taking elements from her cap and gown and colors from her school for her cookies. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest videos. Speaking of subscribing, thank you so much for 100 subscribers. That has been a goal of mine for the channel for 2022, and to reach it in May has been amazing. I'm planning a lot more videos for the rest of the year, and I can't wait for you all to see. So, let's put on our chef's coats, and let's get baking.
To get started, make a batch of some delicious cookies. The cookie recipe I'm using in this video is the one used in my Easter cookie video. The full recipe and process will be in the description box below. Roll the dough until it's about a 1/4 inch thick, then cut out your cookies. Place them on a baking sheet, then let them bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the bottom of the cookies are a nice golden brown. Transfer them to a wire rack to cool before decorating them. Make and color your royal icing to the colors that you need for your cookies. Before icing the cookies, I drew the design using an edible marker to help with guidance. For the graduation hat, I outlined and decorated the bottom of it, then let it dry before outlining and filling the top of the graduation hat. Take a toothpick to help smooth and outline the edges. If you like your cookies to have dimensions, make sure to decorate and dry them in sections. After the top has dried, I added the string and tassel, then finished the hat by adding the button and knot on the tassels. Can't have a graduation hat without the gown. Similar to the hat, outline and fill the gown and allow it to dry. Next, add in the sash or tassel to finish the look. Though my sister's colors are blue and white, she wore a red sash inspired by the Moroccan flag since she studied there. P.S. Highly recommend traveling to Morocco, it is awesome. Next cookie to decorate is the diploma. Outline and fill your cookie with the white icing. Then, while the icing is still wet, take some gray icing and pipe a swirl to make it look like the rolled inside of a diploma. To touch up the look, take your toothpick and gently move the gray icing until you are satisfied. Pipe the ribbon part of the bow, then the bow parts, then finish it with the knots. Finally, I outlined and filled the cookie with her school's logo. Since her logo has a horizontal look to it, I used a rectangle shape for it. If your graduate's school logo is smaller, I would recommend decorating on a circle or square shaped cookie so it looks fuller on the cookie. Once the blue icing was dried, I filled out the UNE logo then wrote Class of 2022 on the bottom. If you'd like to surprise your graduate, take a box and fill it with filler, popcorn, or mini marshmallows and place your cookies on top. And now you're ready to make your graduate's day sweeter.
And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that notification button so you know when the next video is. Also, share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had a great time decorating these cookies and I hope you did as well. I think the last time I made a decorative cookie video was back in December, so it was a lot of fun making a video like this again. If you recreate these cookies or any other desserts I've made on the channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. Hope everyone is staying safe and well. Enjoy your graduation cookies and congratulations to the class of 2022. Bye!